How old were you?
When mom passed, I was 21. I just turned 21.
21. Okay. What helped you उस time पर सबसे ज़्यादा?
Rona.
Crying is
Crying
yeah.
was something that I did on a daily basis.
Hmm.
Talking to Bhaiya, because I was reaching a point where I was panicking every time I thought I'm forgetting mom. So talking to her, talking about her to Bhaiya, and to a great extent in the beginning when I would talk about it, Bhaiya and I had normalized talking about her. There was no stigma attached. There was no nahi baat karna trigger ho raha hai. But at the same time, I was not allowing myself to mentally do some sort of a check in with myself to understand now that life looks different without her. Are you okay with that? What does this mean for the how many ever years of life I have left? What does this mean that every milestone, every achievement, every heartbreak, every doubt that I have from here onwards, she won't be there to hold my hand through it because she was my best friend. She was my parent. She was my backbone. She was literally my wings if I needed to fly. She was my safety net if I had to fall. She was like my entire universe in one person. And that's when grieving for me started, when just talking about her wasn't enough, but trying to figure out what new normal looks like because now life is completely changed.
Right.
She had the best heart possible. She was the kindest person on this planet that I've known. She was the biggest hearted person that I've known. I just hope some parts of that value system is my value system. And if even like 20% of it is true, I'm okay. Because that means I'm like 20% of the person she was, which I'm also okay with.
Yeah. मुझे बताओ कि because you know so much was happening in your life and so many things were happening and also everything was very public, right? Because it's a like it's everything was out there. As a child, did you ever question or did you ever feel uncomfortable? उस public gaze से how did you deal with that?
It was very uncomfortable. Sometimes the public would know things that were untrue or maybe true that I, as a 5-year-old and 6-year-old, hadn't been told yet. Because there's also a level of sensitivity you need to use when you're informing a 5 or 6-year-old about certain developments, for example, or even a 7, 10, 12-year-old. But my way of dealing with that public gaze was something that mom did, which was essentially whatever was happening in our lives or in her life, we were always made to sit down and be aware of it. And it was always an adult conversation in that sense. It was never mollycoddling and it was never just giving upar se. So that whenever something came out in the public gaze or it came out in the media or there were conversational chatters happening in school corridors or in the building that we were living in, for example, we already knew what is fact and what is fiction. I didn't have a life outside of school and home because I didn't know how to cope with anything beyond that. And maybe that's why I went into a shell where my way of safeguarding myself from all this unnecessary chatter that I was constantly hearing was let me not subject myself only to it. Because if I'm not out and I don't hear it, I don't have to deal with it and I can't get affected by it. सावेरियाड का जब प्रीमियर हुआ था, बहुत बड़ा प्रीमियर था. IMAX बराला में I think हुआ था, 500 screens में, the theme and all, it was beautifully done. We were there when I didn't want to be photographed. I didn't want to be in that limelight. Mom understood it. I didn't need to do any of that. I didn't do any of that. But I was there to support my sister and I was there for all that mattered. So there was a boundary that I think mom helped me create. There also was that entire conversation in the air about the fact that what's happening with their family is against the norm. It's not like in the 90s, it even until the early 2000s, it was not common to have a separation between a couple or
Right.
like to have everything that we kind of went through. It was very much in your faces, but it was very against क्या कहते हैं लोग सभ्यता.
हाँ.
I love my brain, सब erase हो चुका है.
Love it. Amazing.
holding no grudges, holding no anecdotes to share with
Best.
anybody, holding on to no trauma from any of that. Just ऊपर से knowing कि ये सब हुआ था. Anecdotal incidents brain ने सब erase कर दिया है
बहुत अच्छी
बाकी
बात है
memories
यार।
के लिए जगह बनाने के लिए.
Absolutely no. Sometimes that's why the brain is amazing. Like it erases what you don't want to remember, which is fab. Tell me, छोटा sibling होने का, like being a the younger one in the family, उसके benefits क्या होते हैं? Advantages क्या
बहुत
होते
होते हैं. घर में अगर कुछ तोड़ा है तो भैया पे blame कर लो. But I have done that. Like every time I knew mom would get angry or upset about something, I'd be like, "What was Bhaiya's idea?" But Bhaiya was the one who was doing it. But Bhaiya was with me.
हैं?
तो आप उन पे चढ़ो ना, मुझ पे क्यों? But being the younger sibling also means you get to choose which restaurant you want to go to for family dinner because then mom will listen to you.
Yeah. थोड़ी pampering ज़्यादा होती है ना?
Yeah, like being the younger sibling always has those, like you can always be like, but I'm the child. Like, look, he's so grown up. Like, don't you want to like be like more pampering towards this? So
Yeah.
yeah, like I think it just had those small cute benefits.
आई एम दी ओल्डर सिबलिंग, ठीक है.
Oh.
मेरी एक छोटी बहन है. सो मुझे तो हमेशा ऐसा लगा कि लाइक शी नाउ इफ यू आस्क हर शी विल से कि नहीं दीदी को ज्यादा वो मिला है, ज्यादा प्यार मिला है बिकॉज यू नो.
बट वो
So-
लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल
हाँ.
तो मुंडन सेरेमनी होती थी ना, लाइक बाल जब काटते हो
हाँ.
तो भैया का जब मुंडन हुआ था तो मतलब आई हैव 2 full photo albums of his photos and like even him as an infant, as a child, we have way more photos. जब मेरी बारी थी तो I think they were just like been there done that. Photos ही नहीं खींचे हैं. So वो होता है.
Okay.
See, yeah, advantages
This
of
is
being the older sibling also.
Yeah.
Like I have albums upon albums of Bhaiya as a child. And I have a album of me as a child. Like some 5 years of my life is one album. And every 3 months of his is one album. The difference.
When you're having an elder brother must be such like वो इतनी protective वाली एक feeling होती होगी ना. Do you guys fight more or has it always been this?
We live in a very unique circumstance where because of life and mom's death, etc., he's a parent and he's a sibling. So the dynamic is very different from a very conventional sibling dynamic in any other household. So there are moments where he is protective. There are moments where he is the sage advisor. There are moments where he is the irritating person. There are moments when we are both fragile. So yeah, we take turns parenting each other sometimes more than just being siblings. So it's a very I don't know how to explain this.
Yeah. No, I mean it's a nice the fact that you've like held each other's hand through so much.
Yeah,
right?
but,
I'm
like,
sure
That
and
was
had fun also.
yeah, but that was like us growing up. But I also have 2 sisters
yes.
who have entered my life fairly recently compared to Bhai, who's been in my life for like over 30 years. So now I'm no longer the younger sibling, and that I'm like super happy about because now I'm the middle child.
Yeah.
But you know, that changes the dynamic also because most of my life I just had a brother. Now I have sisters as well. So dynamic between like the kind of conversations you have with sisters versus what you would have with a brother also is much different. And I didn't experience that for a huge part of my life. So I'm having a lot of fun with that as well.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.